Hello, NeXT community and 3D printing community. I thought I'd show you some fun stuff. I've been printing, so have some cool stuff for Mom for Mother's Day. The hummingbirds and some tchotchkes and the glow-in-the-dark bamboo AMS. The AMS is automatic material systems. So the idea here is it'll have two stacked 4 filament rolls. I'll show you that in a second. And our NeXT logos are looking pretty sharp. I also really like these Boston Scully hats. They have some really neat stuff, so I actually ordered some more. I just printed this Bamboo Labs poop shoot. We were making vases, and that's me, actual sculpture. So I think for Corient, as they've managed, my family's portfolio over the years, and I was going to get on a call with them to see about doing a little bit of investing with them, have them manage my portfolio. I do have a separate Charles Schwab account, and as usual, let's see if I got some surprise for you guys. So this is kind of neat tech here. So I've got holograms now. I guess I should have led with this one. So it actually looks like we've got floating holograms. Let's see if I can zoom back out a little bit in the room. As if stuff wasn't crazy enough around here already. Looks pretty realistic too, huh? Now, I don't know if I necessarily want to be selling these just because that fan spins so fast. I haven't actually done the crash test. I'm worried about breaking the fan, fins, but it sure is neat, the result. And I will be able to upload, I believe, my own images. So we're going to have a little fun with that. I just got set up. I'm hoping it's not a scam with a guy that does 3D effects. He's worked with Hollywood, and it was kind of a course. So I'm stacking up the courses I need to take. So I've got an AI course and a photography course, and now how to really enhance and do special effects for my videos, as if they weren't special enough as it is. Got a couple cubes sold here, so working on those projects. In fact, another one today I'm going to be finalizing. Going to be repairing a printer and a much better flow here. Although it looks a mess, believe me, it's a lot easier for me to get to everything, especially with the carts, holding the 2 X1C printers now and all the filaments. So I'm really happy with the way that's turned out. I can kind of walk back here and show you guys. So getting things more organized by the day, going to get the fish tank going. I like this setup for just at-hand inventory on projects I'm working on. These lights are really neat as well. I'll have to show you guys how they work in a video. And so I'm liking these racks. For the X1C printers, we can roll them around now. And I've got some upgrades for them. I'm going to try, I believe it's called Panda. So it's a really nice hot end for these printers. It's supposed to increase the performance on them. As I've had some issues with some filaments clogging, I'm learning more about which filaments to use and not use and how to dry them and everything else. So as usual, just kind of winging a video for you guys, as you need to be entertained, right? And so far, Billa on the fluid training, she knows meow. She kind of stares at the buttons, but so far, we have not made contact. All right. Hope your day's going well. And stay tuned, as usual. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. Gonna get the 3D scanner set up here so I can scan in some different things and see if I can't make repop parts that way. I'm really dialing in the colors on the NeXT logos too. I'm very happy with them. And I've got some that are to scale that'll actually work great for the logo on the front of cubes because a lot of them are banged up. All right. So I guess I should get on a phone call with the fiduciaries and get that squared away. Oh, I got a nice little label printer too. The thing's really cool. I'll show you that in another video. So now I can tag things. I'm going to have things barcoded and sorted so that when they're put away in a box, I know what's in the box. It's not just a mystery. All right. Yeah, Lori's doing a good job, but it's like, she moves things and then I don't know where they are. So that's going to kind of increase the communication factor, hopefully, because I'll have a roadmap to where things have been moved, including if they're on Jupiter. Okay. I hope that recorded. Peace out. Stay tuned, as usual. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. I think I've said that already, but throw an extra one in just for the fun of it. Yay! Wait, we got to see Santa Claus. I think he's coming up, because that's obviously Halloween. All right. It would be for Valentine's. You can kind of see the fan blades spinning, but it's pretty neat as you step back. In the dark, it looks like there's actually things flying around. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I need to get some rest. 3, 2, 1. It's like I'm getting hypnotized. I may fall asleep. This could be one of those sleep videos for you guys. I'm happy with the way the poop shoot turned out. That's what they call this thing. As the printers, what happens is I've got these AMSs. And so that rack that I built over here, I'll just kind of continue to wing it, will hold both of these. And because there is some vibration when this thing gets going full bore, I'll have them stacked back here. I'll probably spin this 90. And I've got another really heavy-duty desk coming up because I'm going to get the laser feature on this one, and I've got the 4-in-1 laser upstairs. I've added these, I can print out these little puck lights now that are pretty cool. Oh, I'm going to have some wind-up walking NeXT cubes. It'll be fun. And there's Bella. Oh, she just went around the corner. All right, that's enough of this. I need to add more effects, man. We'll talk to y'all later.